In this video, I will show you how to turn on SMS text messaging on iPhone. This is a very quick and easy process, but before we continue, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. Now, to go ahead and turn this on, all you want to do first is open up the settings app on your iPhone. Then what you want to do is scroll all the way to the bottom of your settings and press onto apps. On the app screen, what you want to do is find your messages app. So you can either do this manually by scrolling through, and it's in alphabetical order. So you want to look for M and then press onto messages. Or what you can do is use the search box at the top of the screen, type messages, and this is going to locate the messages app. So what you want to do is give that a press. On the next screen, what you want to do is scroll down on the screen, and a bit down the page, you're going to see an option to send as text message. So as you can see, by turning this on, you'll be able to send as a text message when the iMessage service is unavailable. Of course, network provider messaging rates may apply. So to turn this on, all you need to do is simply turn the switch on, just like so, and that is how to turn on SMS text messaging on iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.